In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get paid instant payouts on Stripe easily. Let's dive into the process so you can streamline your payment setup and get that cash in hand more quickly. First, we're going to start on your Stripe dashboard. This is your command center for managing all things related to your business's finances. You'll want to look for the settings option. It's typically represented by a small gear icon that you can find in the upper right-hand corner of your dashboard. Once you've clicked on that, navigate toward the Business section under your account settings. This is where you'll be configuring your payout settings, an essential step for ensuring you receive your payments as desired. Before we move on to the next step, it's important to make sure that your bank card is linked and properly added to your account. This connection is what allows Stripe to deposit funds directly, so double-check to ensure that your card details are accurate and up to date. Once you've confirmed everything is in order, go ahead and proceed to the Bank Accounts and Currencies section of the settings. In this section, you have the flexibility to determine the schedule for your payouts. Stripe offers a couple of convenient options. You can choose between manual payouts, which give you the control to request transfers whenever you prefer, or automatic payouts, which can be scheduled on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. Consider what's most efficient and convenient for your business needs. For instance, if you want regular periodic cash flow to manage your cash reserves, a weekly or monthly schedule might work best. But if you prefer spontaneity or need funds at specific times, manual payouts could be your go-to. Once you've decided on your preferred payout schedule, it's time to lock in those settings. Be sure to save any changes so that your preferences are applied. This action tells Stripe how and when to direct your funds to you. With everything configured properly, you can enjoy the benefits of having your payments promptly deposited into your bank account based on the timing that works best for you. This process is not only incredibly straightforward, but it's also crucial for maintaining smooth financial operations in your business. Whether you're new to Stripe or looking to make a change, setting up instant payouts ensures you have fast access to your earnings, thus enhancing your ability to reinvest, budget, and plan effectively for your business's future. And that's it. You've just learned how to get paid instant payouts on Stripe with ease. Remember to revisit these settings anytime should your needs evolve. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you in managing your business more efficiently.